What up, homies? This is a new video. Never mess with an angry dog when it's eating, even when it growls at you. Because this one, I just tried to take my food away because it just ate my hamburger. This thing's mad now. See? Bambi! Calm down.
Bam, your butt stinks.
Shh. That's why you never mess with a mad dog when it eats. Give my food. See? Growling. See, I'm gonna put y'all closer so y'all
I do.
Bambi, run! Get my hamburger. Ooh, he got mad at me. Ooh. Okay, that's what I wanted to show y'all. Never mess with a mean dog or it will attack you.